What is NOTCOIN? Is that real? Is that fake? NOTCOIN is a meme coin based on Telegram Toncoin system that recently get trend. This is actually an app inside Telegram that gives you NOTCOINs for just clicking. That was weird. Okay, let's dig a little. This is one of their official channels. It looks empty and says wait. This is another one. Even their community channel is just full of memes. Let's check their X account. Twitter, rest in peace. The first thing you see here is this. And then just a lot of memes. You are probably convinced by now that this is just a scam and nothing else, which has become quite common these days. But in fact, it's not. There are many things that indicate that NOTCOIN is real. First of all, NOTCOIN is a meme coin like Dogecoin, Shiba, or Pepe. In fact, all meme coins don't have anything special to offer from the beginning, but their community makes them grow. Currently, NOTCOIN has more than 20 million users. And this large community gathered in less than a month. Second, NOTCOIN has a direct relation with the official Telegram currency Toncoin. Even they use the same logo but upside down. In the end, they have a place in the official Telegram wallet. Their bot has received the verification blue tick. And the founder of Telegram himself has a squad in this program. So I can say that NOTCOIN is definitely not a fake project or a scam, but there are points that should be paid attention to. First, NOTCOIN is not supposed to have a high price from the beginning, it may be very low. Second, there is a very low possibility that these click tokens may not be the tokens that will be listed in the future. What's your opinion? Tell us in the comments. Goodbye.